This video is going to show you how to install Helm Charts using the Artifact Hub. Go to this URL, search for what you want. I'm searching for WordPress. Click the install button. You need to run this command on your server. That will install the repository into your Kubernetes server. Next, use this button here, default values, to download the values YAML file. And there it is. Use the button with the cloud and then save that so that you can upload this file on the server. Alternatively, you can create a file with the same name and press this button to copy the content. Once you've done that, you need to be in the same folder where that values YAML file is. Then go back here. Now run this command. It is as simple as that. And now you should have WordPress installed in your Kubernetes cluster.